Welcome to my apartment tour. So I'm starting outside. Oh, the light, so you can see. So we're at a school in Dominican Republic, a Christian school called Freedom International. So this is our apartment building. Looks like this. These are actually our 2 rooms right here. But you walk in, we're on the 1st floor, so we don't even go up the stairs, but that's the 2nd. So we go over here. All of our shoes are everywhere. These, the Air Forces, the Crocs, the Tevas, the Crocs are mine. Then you get to our door. These are our friends Allison and Josh, but get to our door. You walk in, and this is what you see. Oh, and the door slam. So, you know, we've got our beautiful, Carly, how about you explain the living room to us?
Living room, we got this really comfy blue couch.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, some really decorative pillows. We've got a short brown couch, perfect for one person to like lay on.
Oh, thank you.
And then this one's nice, because you can set your feet up on the ottoman.
Oh yeah, and inside this we've got blankets, even though you don't really need it much here.
Yeah, like weird puff.
Oh yeah, who wants to explain the porch? Nora, I think you got this one. Nora. So now, Nora's gonna come with me and explain our porch. This is our laundry room. It's really beautiful, I know. Our trash, 10 out of 10 organization.
Hey y'all, welcome to the porch. Here you have a lovely display of Josephine's clothing.
And Ruthanne's, and mine too.
Yes, and Ruthanne.
And our makeshift clothesline over there on top of a hammock because we ran out of.
We also have this thing. I don't even know what this is. What is it?
A store?
Yeah. A storage carton.
Yes, and over there is a door to the master bedroom, which you will see in a minute. We're not gonna go over there because we have intimate items hanging up. You don't need a tour of that. Josie, would you like to take the kitchen? Because
I would love to take the kitchen. So this is our slightly dysfunctional kitchen. It's a little bit of a, no one explained where anything was, so you just kind of gotta look until you find something that kind of works. You know, we have all the usual things a kitchen does have,
except a dishwasher.
Except a dishwasher and a microwave. We got our lovely stove over here.
Got some eggs that we have not yet used.
Used a single egg.
A single egg. After.
How'd you learn how to use this? Fun fact. You gotta do that.
The button.
And then also, you gotta physically light the oven. That one's also fun.
A fun one.
For you pyromaniacs out there, there's a lot of lighting things on fire out here. So.
Oh yeah, so we got the sink, 10 out of 10, Josie's water bottle. We've got Josie's snacks because she's allergic to everything. We've got some other stuff, and this is our kitchen table where the men's are made. Shiloh, would you like to explain the kitchen table? We're giving a tour. This is Shiloh, by the way.
Hi, this is the kitchen table.
Oh yes, she nailed that one.
We sit here a lot.
We do. We work on lesson plans. Yeah, we work on lesson plans here. We don't eat here. We really never eat in this apartment. It's a problem. It's a problem. Okay, Nora, Carly, where are you?
We're in our
Would you like to explain y'all's? Wait, so explain who shares this room. Welcome to the master. So they get. We're gonna flip this over. So they get the master bedroom. Me and Josie actually got here first, so we got to pick, and we purposely chose one of the guest bedrooms because it has it has more privacy and bigger windows. But they have a huge door, so I guess in the end they do have more circulation probably. They have these 2 bunks, but no one sleeps on the top. We use those mattresses when we have the kids over and stuff. We'll take them out and put them in the living room because we don't have enough couches for 20 kids. So explain, what are these babies
AC
for?
units.
Our AC units.
Our AC unit, our cooling unit.
I'm gonna switch sides with
My
you.
desk. I organized it this morning, so admire.
Oh, your desk? Whose desk is this?
My desk.
It's literally covered.
It's organized chaos, okay? I got my sponsor kids stuff down here. Less your horror movie coloring book.
Our beds.
Nice serial killer coloring book.
On Saturdays we deep clean, so that's why everything looks so organized. Yeah, we have drawers here. Here's their closet. They share this closet right here. And then
you can see.
Yeah, and then
This is my set of shelves. This is Carly's.
the disaster. Then we have our bathroom. This is the master bathroom, which is theirs. Technically, you can see by all the products that 4 of us, them 2, and then me and Josie use this bathroom. Yeah, by the large sum of towels. Great toilet, really, really great. Yeah, closet again. This is our other bathroom. It's
The clear shower curtain.
yeah, it feels like death when you use this one. There's no window. The other bathroom has like a decent sized window. There's no window in this one. So you really feel like you're
Not that
breathing.
the water gets hot or anything, because that
Yeah,
would be a disaster if the water.
The water's freezing. But it just feels like death. So that's the tea on that. That's why Josie uses this bathroom too.
Half my stuff's still in there.
Four of us use that bathroom. Okay, Breeze, Shiloh, is anybody in here? Shiloh, do you want to explain your bedroom? I won't get any closer. You can just be like, this is a bed.
This is my bedroom. Here's the beds, the closet, the nightstand.
10 out of 10.
Lesson prep material.
10 out of 10. Here's the closet. That's the window. You can see the school through her window. Yeah, she shares with Breeze. I don't know where Breeze is. She shares with Breeze. And they have fans too. 10 out of 10.
Or AC units.
They're AC units. Yeah, this one literally looks like one. Look.
True.
They have like a window unit. Okay, Josephine. Do you want to take?
ma'am.
Actually, we'll both take
Yeah,
this.
we'll both take it.
Welcome to our room.
Our humble abode.
So this is my desk. You know, I got the backpack, the Mac, my phone, got the Bible, the backpack, the hats. It's my beautiful bed, my dresser. I use this entire dresser. It's all me and Josie.
And then also my bed. I've given up on putting my sheets on the bed because we just ripped them off in the middle of the night. I have my own little dresser type thing over here. All the meds I could ever need.
Right there.
And then a closet.
Oh yeah, this is our closet. I'll show. I can show because I don't care if I see my closet. This is my closet. So you open it. You got like all my polos. Like I have my outfit for tomorrow set out. So we have polos like this. And then I just wear like different skirts and shorts and a bunch of junk on the top. The suitcase and Josie's looks basically the exact same. Are we forgetting any other part of our apartment? I don't think so. It's pretty small.
What you see is what you get.
What you see is what you get. Thank you for watching our apartment. I'm trying to get you all the video. Thank you for watching our apartment tour. Yeah. Subscribe and toodles.